Hey guys, what's up, Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing the two models that I was going on about. So, let's start off with this one. Okay, that just happened. Oh guys. There we go. Oh, there we go. Just move my Xbox controller around so GTA don't kick me. Yes, I do play that game. So here we have Stratford Blue, A.E.C. Regal, I think. I got this one because it looks like Mr. Blue and it's made by Lledo. So yeah, here's front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof of the box, and the bottom. Now, let's open the box. I've got a couple of these busters in my collection, but I haven't got the Stratford Blue variants. Now I have. There we go, she is out. There's also this in the background as well. Don't know guys if you can see that. I'll leave that in there. Shift that back in. Close that all up. There's what the box looks like without the bus in. And now, let's show you the actual bus itself. So here's front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof and the bottom. And yeah, obviously GW247 has a door in the back. This one don't because it's a Regal, not a Regent. A Regent, what am I going on about? Tiger. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Moving on to the last package of the day, which is that other model. Oh, stupid. That didn't work. Right. Just gonna have to cut it then, aren't I, guys? There you go. Ow. Jesus Christ, that's hard. Yes, got you, little fucker. There she is. Ta-da! Now all I need to find out is how you open this thing. I don't really want to damage the box. There we go, that's how you open it. Come on, Mr. Coach, out you come. There we go, she is out. There she is, guys. It's front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And this is a special dealer model, I think the seller said. I got it because it looks like my old school bus, YJ07DWD and DWD, I mean DWG and DWF. But they only have one of the wheels at the back. This one has two, but I like it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is quite rare. What does it say on the bottom? Made in China! Interesting. And then it's got Bova's website at the bottom. And all the other interesting stuff. Here's the roof if you guys didn't see it, by the way. So yeah, another rare bus or coach to have when I can speak, add to my collection. Now, all that's left to do is get the thumbnail. So yeah, let's do that. I'm just setting it up. Just drop this little piece back in the box. There we go. I'll pop them on top of the boxes actually. That would be pretty cool. Right, let's get the thumbnail now, peeps. I like the way where there's just going to be a carbon bonnet in the background. That's funny. Yeah, just my character looking at the rides that I got. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.